Agriculture today is big business. That means large farms that require large specialized machinery. Tractors with 400 horsepower diesel engines, hay balers, planters and grain augers, milking machines, and spraying and irrigation equipment. Name a machine and the odds are it gets heavy use, outdoors, in all kinds of weather. Farm equipment mechanics, most of whom work for farm equipment dealers, help reduce downtime by performing preventative maintenance. They spend much of their time adjusting and repairing machines, either at the dealership or in the field. Every farming community depends on its farm equipment dealers and the mechanics to keep everything running smoothly. After all, whether by full moon or floodlights, crops can't be harvested if the equipment doesn't work.